Welcome back to Wave of Wealth. I'm Nick, and today I'm gonna show you how to create and set up your own PayPal account, guys. But not just that, I'm gonna show you how to calculate properly your taxes, your fees, so you can know at exact every moment how much money you have or you need to send to someone else. So let's get started. What you need to know, guys, you can do it from anywhere in the world, of course, and it's super easy, super simple. And I'm gonna emphasize even more that part of calculating the fees and calculating the taxes, guys, because I think that will be really helpful for you. But for those of you who don't know how to make an account, let's get started. Here we can check it out, guys. PayPal.com, of course, home section right here. What you need to do, I think you guessed it right, sign up for free. Or you can just go in top right corner, guys, press on sign up right here. Sign up for PayPal. It's free. Choose from two types of accounts: personal account, business account. So it depends what you need, what you want to do, what's your business, of course. Shop in your country and around the world from your computer or on your mobile, all without sharing your financial info with the sellers. Accept business account, accept payments, and send invoices to your customer. It's easier and more secure to sell to anyone, anywhere, and anytime. Continue with personal account, for example, right here. We need to put in our email, guys. Let's, for example, continue right here. We need to verify it, guys, and then your mail is here. Next, we need our phone number, so I'll see you in a minute. And once you verified your mail and phone number, guys, I'm aware you all know how to do that. What you need to do else is to press right here, I'm a human, and now you can see how your account will look like. So I'll show you my old account, guys, on PayPal, of course. Let's confirm again it's you. Let PayPal remember this device, and so on and so on. Press on next right here. We need our code. So just a second, I need my phone, guys, real quick. My code is here. Just a moment. We're all set. Just a moment. So you can see how it looks like, guys. As I said, this is my old account, so I just showed you how to sign up for it, mail, password, and so on. You can add card or bank right here, create an invoice, more sections here, send, request, search, super easy. You can see some of the older transaction right here, guys. But as I said, this is my existing account right here. PayPal balance right now, of course, is on zero because I redeemed my money, of course. Send section, you can press on it, guys, right here. It's also super easy. Name, username, email, or mobile. If you want to send payment to, guys, all you need is name, username, email, mobile address right here. Send invoice section is here. More ways to send. You can send an invoice, guys, but that's more for a business models right here. Request, contacts, more right here. Wallet, your wallet is here, guys, in which you can actually see your balance. You can see your preferred currencies out here. You can see your payment card, guys, and everything. Link a bank, link a card. You can even connect more cards to your payment account, guys. Why not? Activities here as well. But as I mentioned before, you all know, guys, that basically the main thing with the PayPal, with these digital payments and everything, the main thing that makes a difference is fees. Number one are fees, guys. So you need to know at every single possible moment how much money will you receive or how much money you need to send to someone to pay for some services, goods, or something like that, or just to send a gift to someone. It ain't matter, guys. So how can you do it? PayPal is really strict about it, so we can check it out. PayPal fee calculator right here on Google. You can press on it, guys, and be redirected straight away right here. Let's check it out. For example, we want to send someone, guys, enter payment amount below $100 right here. Country of region, currency, US dollars. You can switch it here, guys, for Turkish lira right here, South Africa, Slovakia, euro, Switzerland franc, guys, and so on. It depends on the currency. Fee depends on the currency, of course, but as I said, let's check it out first for US dollars. United States dollar. Fee rate is 3.49% plus 0.49 cents, guys. Invoicing, PayPal checkout, Venmo, and so on right here. But you can check it out for domestic and international. So these are domestic, guys. These are in or all within the country in the United States, and you can check it out. $2.99, guys. Credit card and debit card. 2.89% plus 49 cents. Goods and services donations, and you can read every single one of those, guys, how much you need to pay for it. For international traffic, $4.99, so almost 5%, guys, plus 50 cents. Invoicing, PayPal checkout, Venmo. You can see that it goes up to 6.49% plus 9 cents micro payment. Also, let's, for example, set like domestic. You can just, if I sending $100, country or region, currency, United States, fee rate right here, invoicing, PayPal checkout, and Venmo, and so on. if sending this to receive, you can check it out. If sending $100, the amount it will go to fees is $3.98, and the recipient will receive $96. That's 3.98% goes to fees effectively right here, as we can check it out, guys. Restart right here. Let's just check it out. $100 right here. That is the amount, of course, but let's just say, for example, is for, I don't know, let's go up here to, let's find a country, for example. Let's send it to, why not, right here. I just found it somewhere. Singapore right here. Let's say 3.9%, guys. You can check it out. Or international 4.4%. Again, if I send this, you can check it out. 95. That's as easy as that. So calculator is super easy to calculate, guys. Right here, I highly recommend to check it out. Salecalc.com right here for PayPal fee calculator, because that's the most important thing for you right now. If you're sending money or receiving money, you need to know how much money will you actually receive, or will you must send to someone, guys. If you want to send someone $100, you can't send $100. You need to send more for fees. So calculator is pretty useful to think for you once you make your account, guys, and once you get some transactions and everything. And the PayPal taxes right here, you can check it out. You can explore PayPal taxes, guys. It's dead different for every single possible country, for currencies, for amounts of payments, guys, and everything. So I recommend you to check it out for yourself. But most important thing for you to know, do you pay tax on PayPal? So, guys, tax laws don't affect money sent as friends and family payment only. They only apply to payments that you receive for goods and services, and that's something that you need to comprehend in your head, guys. If you're sending money as friends and family payment to someone that is your relative, that is your friend, guys, that there is no goods or services purchased, then there is no tax, guys. Tax laws don't affect money sent as friends and family payments, and this includes payments you received through PayPal checkout, or where you were sent by the buyer as goods and service payments right here. So again, check it out and think about it for yourself. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next time, goodbye.